Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend. Firstly, I want to look back at what we have been looking at for the past 2 weeks that we have been bringing about these videos. The first and foremost was my own long US dollar trade. Now, we have seen that working out. In the end, we have seen some near-term weakness after the trade was opened. But fortunately, the trend still remains in play with the fact that we didn't break through the 107.27. If we had seen that level broken, you would have pointed towards the potential for a wider pullback to come into play. Interestingly enough, we were talking at the time over the merits or downsides of placing a shorter stop loss somewhere within this region here, playing on the shorter intraday moves. On this occasion, I avoided that and took the wider stop loss, and thankfully that's how it's played out, with the wider pullback actually not necessarily taking out the swing low. And now we're rallying up through the prior high and looking to continue this bullish trend for the dollar index. Last week we saw Axel bring about a short position for cable, of course the inverse of this, of course, because we have the US dollar strengthening against the pound, and we have seen that trend continue apace. So this is working out as well, and it's running along the same theme. And once again, I'm going to be looking at a similar theme. Now, this is something that's actually tripped me up a little bit recently, because I did look for a short on the trade of the week for the euro against the Swiss franc. And whilst we had a great downtrend playing out over a number of months, the moment that I placed that trade, it essentially negated it and broke towards the upside, as can often be the case. But if you look at the weekly time frame, certainly there's no messing with this trend. And we have seen significant declines over the course of the past 2 years. That is coming back into play once again today and for this week. And so I'm looking to see an extension of this move towards the downside. The latest rally has taken us back towards that 50% retracement, and now we're heading lower and into this 95.32 low that we did establish on Thursday of last week. I'm expecting more of the same, and therefore I'll be looking to take my trade on the breakthrough 95.32. So I know that this latest pullback is over, and then placing my stop loss above that latest swing high. The swing high is at 96.82, and therefore I'll place my stop loss at 96.90 for shorts on the euro against the Swiss franc.
For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.